Wheeltech family is happy to welcome you into the fold.
Thank you.
Ano masasabi mo bilang bagong brand ambassador ng Wheeltech?
Grabe. Of course, I'm very happy and honored that Wheeltech finally chose me as their brand ambassador.
Matagal mo na bang inaantay?
Matagal ko nang inaantay talaga dahil ano naman, hilig natin talaga yun sa mga hilig natin yun sa motorbikes. And actually, nag-start talaga ako, customer ako ng Wheeltech. May binili akong sports bike sa kanila. At ayun na, ngayon, hopefully hindi ko nabilhin yung sports bike. Hopefully ipahiram na sa
How many motorcycles do you have at home?
Right now, I just have one. It's my daily motorcycle. I ride every day, going to the gym and going back.
Really?
Rider ka talaga.
Yes.
Anong pangarap mong ride?
Of course, Philippine Loop. That's why nang nalaman ko kay Sir Roscoe na nag-Philippine Loops ka nila Gab and some other people from Wheeltech. Nainggit ako, especially the videos. Na-imagine ko na kung paano yung udang, paano yung logistics, and paano ko shoot yung buong trip na yan, kung makasama.
Ating get no more dahil malamang kasama ka na sa mga susunod na kayo.
Sana isama ko.
Buti may time ka. Paano mo na pagsasama yun? Dating, tapos pag-date, tapos...
Gagawin natin ang time. Siyempre, kailangan natin lagi ng food for the soul. Parang pag-ride sa akin is food for the soul.
Pero ito nga, tinatanong namin kasi kanina sa lahat ng mga nakasama namin dito. Kamusta naman si Kim?
Ayan na. Kukunin mo ba ng video?
Kamusta ang puso mo?
Sakto na.
Uy, no, kaya nasagot ko. Sana ako na nasagot ko eh.
Ang prompt.
But yes, want to take this opportunity again to thank the Wheeltech Group of companies. I'm very happy and honored and proud to be your brand ambassador. I've known Sir Roscoe for a while, and from the time when I met him until now, hindi pa rin siya nagbabago. Mabait pa rin siya. Minsan nagtataka na nga ako kung bakit sobrang bait talaga ni Sir Roscoe. Parang too good to be true, but it's true.
Okay, but you know, it's been 50 years. We're celebrating the golden anniversary here, and we're definitely happy to have you on board. Anong pangarap mo with this family in the year to come?
Well, of course, I think the next milestone, 100 years. More than 100 years. Siyempre, ang pangarap ko for Wheeltech, 1,000
years to go.
1,000 branches nationwide.
Branches, wala branches. Oo, yun. Agree.
Alam ko mang nasa 400 plus na, napakarami. Kaya grateful na rin ako na nasa Wheeltech ako. Kasi pag nasiraan ako kahit saan sa Pilipinas, sigurado ako itutulong sa akin.
Ito na lang, anong pangarap ng motorsiklo? Kung may i-request ka?
Marami. Hindi ko sure kung magbibigay sa akin. Pero yung pangarap ko na akong motorsiklo naka-display yata sa building.
Nakakila ko.
Alam na.
Okay, Paolo, saan ka ba namin aabangan? What's up for you next?
For now, I'm currently about to shoot a movie with Kit. Sana abangan mo siya. I'm sure it's gonna be very entertaining for everyone. I'm sure mag-enjoy kayo.
Compared sa ibang love team mo, gaano ka iba si Kim? Gaano ka espesyal?
Ayan na.
Dapat ko tanong mo.
Let's see man. Diba, very bubbly siya. I think, ano talaga, I could say that she's a star.
Well, as we wrap this up for you this afternoon, Paolo, how important is it to you to be the face of Wheeltech?
For me, it's I just want to say that I just don't want to be a poster boy whenever I get to be an ambassador or face of a brand or a company. It always has to it has to do something. It has to mean something to me. Like everything I endorse, everything na brand ambassador ako. I use the products or
Has to, you know, influence your life in some way.
yes, that's why I was very happy when Realtek finally got me because I ride motorcycles every day. Like any kind of basta gulong, nalagay mo sa kalsada, sa truck, sa off-road, kahit skateboard pa yun, kahit roller blades pa yan. But I'm very happy that Realtek finally got me dahil matagal ko talaga naghihintay na sana kunin mo na naman yung boss ko at
Nako, Paolo, baka ma-addict ka. Baka ma-addict ka sa nakaride.
Alright.
This opens a new chapter in your life. Pero ako meron akong suggestion na pwede nilang gawin kay Paolo.
Ano yan?
Alam niyo ba yung nag-viral na elevator moment? Pwede nilang gawin yan sa mga Realtek branch. Diba yung kumari, ikaw yung nagbibenta, tapos nakakita ng Realtek.
Gusto mo yung motorcycle sa hindi pa pumunta sa elevator.
Ano daw?
Motorcycle na nagpumili siya.
Pwede na.
Basta bawal lumabas ng classroom. Para paano po natin? Paano Avelino?
It's an honor to be new face of Realtek. Thank you sa lahat ng namamahal at namumuo ng Realtek companies, to all the brands that are here. Thank you, and I hope we get to work with everyone.
We look forward to seeing you on the road once again. Your new brand ambassador for Realtek, Paolo Avelino.
Thank you so much.